You want to start flipping houses, but you have no idea where to find these discounted properties. Here are 3 different strategies you can use, and they all have something in common. See if you can figure it out. Number 1, bandit signs. I'm sure you've seen those signs at the side of the road that say "We buy houses." Those are wholesalers, and they find discounted properties for a living. Call them and ask to be added to their buyers list. Number 2, go to Google and type in "We buy houses" in the search engine. Call the first 5 to 10 companies and let them know that you would like to be added to their buyers list. These are also wholesalers. Number 3, Facebook. Search "We buy houses" and add your city in the name, and request to be added to at least 5 groups. Once you're approved, post a message saying that you're an investor and you would like to be added to their buyers list. These groups are made of wholesalers, investors, and everybody that's within the industry. So by letting them know that you want to be added to their buyers list, they will actually contact you and start flooding you with deals. All right, so something else I would recommend for you as well is to create a separate email address, so that way you can have all of those deals come straight to your inbox and just watch them roll in. Those are just 3 ways that you can have deals come directly to you without you having to search for them. If you'd like to learn more tips on how to find discounted properties, you can join us on August 19th in Houston, Texas, where we'll be having a flip workshop, and we'll show you how to flip houses from buy to sold. Click the link below to reserve your ticket today. See you in Houston.